The stars don't shine the way they used to. Every road reminds me of you. Walking through the city lights alone tonight. Every corner has your shadow in my eyes. Pictures fading but the memories remain. I'm calling out your name into the rain. I keep staring into the distance, hoping somehow you'll come back. Even if the seasons change, my heart is still where you left it. I'm staring into the distance, looking for your silhouette. Every heartbeat whispers your name, but you're someone I can't forget. Why did forever fade away? Why did our colors turn to gray? If love was written in the stars, worrying worlds apart. Said we never let the flame die. Now I'm counting every lonely sunrise. Got your voice inside my head every night. Trying to move on but nothing feels right. Broken promises, broken dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. I'm smiling outside, hurting within, wondering if I love again.
Yeah, 멀어진 네 모습 바라보며 시간은 흘러도 그대로야. 웃고 있어도 마음은 울어. 네 없는 세상은 너무 추워. 기억 속에 널 붙잡지만 손끝 사이로 사라져가. 끝난 사랑이란 말해도 난 아직 널 기다려.
If I could turn back time, I'll hold you one more night. Even if you're gone forever, you'll always be my light. I'm staring into the distance, where our dreams used to fly. Even if you're with someone else, a part of me still asks why. One day maybe I'll be okay, but tonight these tears will stay. I remember every smile, though it hurts the heart. Goodbye isn't easy, but I'll carry your love into tomorrow as I stand